So you're looking for a projector? Look no further, the WOWOTO H8. Sit back and be prepared to be amazed. This one packs a punch. This is my review of the WOWOTO H8 video projector. I have high hopes for this one. Wrapped in plastic. Major plus. That assures you that you're getting a new unit. Very nice packaging. The projector is 720p resolution. The unit can project an image up to 200 inches. Absolutely perfect for backyard movie nights, which is what I intend to use it for. Opening up the box, you're presented with very nice packaging. You have your manual. This box contains the power cord and your HDMI cable. This box contains your remote control as well as the audio and video cable. Ah yes. The projector itself. Nicely wrapped. The projector features a touch panel on top. Very nice lens in the front. Looks as if there are a lot of cooling vents. You have your power button. Power input, USB, HDMI, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, Ethernet, audio video input, and headphones jack. On the other side is your focus wheel. On the bottom is a kickstand to raise the unit up if you have it on a table. There's also a tripod or ceiling mount. I'm going to compare the brightness to my Panasonic PTX 200U. Here's the WOWOTO H8 versus the Panasonic. If you think it's an unfair advantage, just wait. This is my Panasonic PTX 200U 720p resolution. I'm going to cover the lens to show the difference on a same scene of the movie. First I will cover the WOWOTO. Next the Panasonic. As you can see, there isn't really noticeable difference. I also had the lights on low. WOWOTO H8. Panasonic. Next I'll be testing the projector on my 145-inch screen. You need a lot of brightness to shine on a 145-inch screen. The WOWOTO H8 does it oh so well.
Red.
You would surely be the life of the party on your next movie night. This is me standing in front of my massive screen to show scale. This projector is simply amazing. The WOWOTO H8. Buy it.